Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify store. Countdown timers are a fantastic way to create urgency for your products, boost sales during promotions, and make your store feel more dynamic. Many people assume that this feature is built into Shopify themes, but unfortunately, it isn't included in most free themes. However, don't worry, you can still add a countdown timer for free using an app. To get started, first log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side at the bottom, click on Settings, and then head over to Apps and Sales Channels. From here, click on the Shopify App Store. This will open up the app marketplace where you can search for a timer app. In the search bar, type Countdown Timer, and you'll see several options. For this tutorial, we'll use Essentials Countdown Timer, which is free and works seamlessly with the Dawn theme, one of the most popular Shopify themes. Go ahead and click Install. Once the app is installed, it will appear in your Shopify sidebar and you can pin it there for easy access. Open the app and the first thing you'll do is create a new timer. You'll get options for where you want the timer to appear. It can be a sticky top or bottom bar, on a product page, in your cart, or even in emails. For this tutorial, let's place it at the top of our store as a sticky header. Next, give your timer a name. You might call it Sale or Hurry Up, Sale Ends In. Then, set the countdown target. This could be a specific date, like February 15th, or a fixed number of minutes or hours. You can also adjust the timer label so it displays days, hours, and minutes. Once that's set, click Continue to Design. Here, you can choose the colors, layout, and whether the timer appears on the top or bottom of the page. Make it match your store's branding so it looks natural. After designing the timer, click to Continue to Placement. This is where you decide which pages the timer should appear on. You can show it on every page, just the home page, all product pages, or even specific product pages. For maximum impact, we'll show it on every page. Click Publish, then hit Save at the top right, and make sure the app is activated in your store. Finally, preview the timer. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it appears, you'll see your countdown timer live on your Shopify store. This simple addition can help create urgency, increase sales, and make your promotion stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with any other Shopify tips or features you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy selling!